Hi everyone, welcome to your first project, which is the self-portrait video. So I wanted to walk you through a couple things so that you can actually see exactly what I'm looking for. So in this project right here, it says find objects and art activities that you're interested in that will also enlighten your audience as to who you are. So it's going to basically be this self-portrait video. It's 30 seconds to a minute, so it's pretty short, so you should be able to do it really quickly in regards to the actual footage, but oftentimes the preparing is going to be the long time, figuring out what the coolest shot will be. There's some nice examples of what students have done in the past for me, but first you're going to do your first step, which is to start by describing yourself as a submission to this assignment. Write out 10 things that you're interested in and bold the 3 that you plan to include in this video. So first, to do that, you click up here into the actual assignment, and then you would go down and you could either do it in a comments or in a text submission. You would write out the 10 things that would describe yourself. So maybe I'd put teacher, father, artist, and I would keep going like that for 10 of them. And then what I would do is the ones that I would want to include in this video, I would bold. So teacher and artist. And maybe I didn't want to have my kids in it, so I wouldn't do father, but then I would do one more. So there would be 3 that are bolded. Now to submit that, you would just click the submit button, and I'm not going to do that, but that's how you do the first step. Now in the second step, it's about how we're going to use WeVideo to create some video clips on your device and upload it to the editor. Now in the WeVideo tutorial, that's going to be your first thing. So in that folder, you can find how you're going to upload clips. You're going to find how to use the timeline mode on the editor to create a video and publish it. Now this is your first video, so I understand that it's not going to be crazy in regards to the professional quality, but I'm excited to just see the video. Now in this video, I've seen students even do it without having themselves and just focusing on the things that they're interested in. It could even be first-person perspective. I've seen students do cool themes like cowboy themes, like it was like a western, black and white, pizza boy, whatever, So basically you're going to get your footage that you tell your story about, you'll upload that, and then you will add some music in the editor. So let's jump over to the editor to kind of show you what that's going to look like. So first off, when you upload your footage, it will show up in My Media, and I have a lot of folders to keep myself organized. But let's say I was to take, these are a lot of senior pictures from the slideshow actually, but let's say I was to take this video clip right here and drag it in, and then I would piece it together with this one, and we're just going to get rid of that. So I have these 2 clips, and then I'm going to add some audio, which is going to look like this. So this is going to just be the best video ever now. I'm good to go. I have my self-portrait. I'm going to clip the audio by dragging it over, and I'm going to add a title screen up here that says my name. Double click on it. It shows up here. So we can say Mr. W. Okay. Change the fonts. And now we have our video, Mr. W. And then it would go into random clips about me. Now when I'm done, all I have to do is title it, maybe my name, and then I would click the button finish, and I would finish it, I think in 480 is the option you'll have, and then you can choose whatever you want that one to be, and you'll click finish. Now once you click finish, that's literally how you're going to turn in your works. That's it. You just click the button finish, and then it will show up so that I can see it coming in. But just make sure you have your titles something that's like not out of the ordinary. So to title it, maybe put your name first and then whatever the project is called. But this actually, you don't have to keep this up, but I always just keep it up. And once it's finished, you have a link, and you can turn that link into the course. That would be helpful. But like I said, once you click the finish button, you should be good to go because I can see them then. So that would be your first um, self self-portrait video, which I am so excited to see. And I'm excited for these ones that were kind of created to be a good example of what you're going to be asked to do. Thanks.